Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:02 p.m., June 24, 2021, Thursday. Markets gapping up. NASDAQ new highs. S&P new highs. How did I do? I kept it very, very chill. Missed a lot. But you know what? I live for another day. That's how I look at it today. So make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. It was a tale of two different kinds of trading today. The news flow was very minimal. Did save me a little bit. Got me in trouble a little bit. But overall, the markets were kind of, after they gapped up, kind of this up, down, continuation pattern. And, I said to myself I was going to stay away from some of the crappy names like Moxie and Wish and these other guys, but they were setting up. And here it is. I overtraded. I overtraded in a sense that I was trying to get in some stuff and see if it would go and just get out. This Wafu trade was probably my biggest mistake. It wasn't really news. There was a lot of chatter. And it was chatter about educational, Chinese education plays. And I kind of jumped in a little quick on this one, I probably chased it on the upside and got flushed down pretty good on that one. This ORPH, I'm not sure what I did on that one. Net was a news trade. I thought I hit it pretty good. You can see it here, but Net's a tough trader and it just kind of shrunk on me, so I got out with that kind of loss. LLY, kind of like a breakout trade. DBGI was a mistake by me. I kind of forced it a little early here on this this candle, and then it pulled back, and then this was the actual move, and it moved up for 2.5 points. So this is the biggest trade of the day that I missed. I got the failed attempt by front running a little bit, and it pulled back on me. It didn't pull back on me enough, but I said to myself, if something goes against you, just get out, and it did. Unfortunately, I didn't get back in for this huge move up. We're talking like 450 to 712. So huge move. Two halts. Just really nice kind of action there. DOCS was the IPO of the day, and don't know what to tell you, but it did set up nicely several different times, but it got spready and it got thin. And I said to myself, again, I'm not going to force anything I don't want to, but of course the best time for other people to trade is when I don't take the trade, because it just seems like a lot of things, things didn't work all the time, but for the most part, a lot of these trades worked out, like the break of the 44, the break of the 45, the break of the 48, just had the movement going that everyone would do well in, and I just kind of failed on it. And let me take care of something here. Sorry, I have all my other programs popping off and just making all kinds of noise. All right, so JD News just got in and out quick. Wish, that was the big miss of the day. It's been on the radar all week, ever since I guess the 7th or so. And it's going to break out here potentially. It's up at 469 right now, making new highs. The call was 1350. It busted through 1350, went to 1357, and made a low of, really didn't make a low. Not the biggest of moves, even though it's up a point now in the after hours, but it was definitely a solid move, and you could have protected your entry. Just unfortunate that I missed the 1350 entry again on that one. So anyway, ChargePoint was some news, Love was some news, Zoom was some news, Boeing, I think it was a quick pop through a certain level. Tilray was news, could have been a lot better. Wendy's was the end of the day news, kind of like on their vegetarian burger or something like that. I was a little late to that one. Not a big move. It only went up like 15 cents. I didn't hit it with a lot of shares or anything like that. Moxie got a quick piece on that. PSAT got a quick piece on that. Laser, I got a quick piece on that. Tesla was up a little bit more. I tried taking a news event, but I shouldn't have taken a negative news event on a positive day on Tesla, because it just kind of flushed down real quick and turned around. ALF was, ALF. It's just kind of doing these little breakout areas. I took a 13 break here. Made a little quick buck on that. Hershey was news. I guess Hershey plane seen at Warren Buffett's location. So it kind of got some energy that they might buy it or something like that, but who knows. BTX was a break Another quick scalp. This is a tough trader, not through 19. Got a pop, and it went all the way up to 1935. So I got a nice couple hundred shares on that one. Clove was a similar type thing, just a pop and got out. And then by the end of the day, it just flushed down. So, and then this FULC was news. I have a video of this one. I don't know what I was thinking. I looked at it, I'm like, So I got in, it popped to 10, and once it cleared 10, I was like, all right, I'm out. And I actually was in with 500 shares, I think it was. But I'll have it in the video for this weekend, and I made $105. Here's my day, long day for $27. I guess I like to consider, if I've got to go from a mental point, is that I'm okay with a small gain versus like a huge, like I could literally been taking bigger trades all day long. I was hesitant, one. Two, I wasn't scared, but I was just like sitting back, keeping it chill, waiting for a news event or something that would really trigger something good. I wasn't into scalping too much. Yes, these are all scalp trades for the most part, but I wasn't into looking for like technical breakouts on 1 minute or 2 minute candles. I was looking for like those bigger moves, and missing Wish, missing a bigger Moxie move, missing the DBGI. Those three combined, or it was like 5 or 6 points. Obviously I wouldn't have gotten all of that, but just something I need to keep in line going forward. I can be hesitant. I can sit on my hands. But when something sets up, and when my AA plus setups, I gotta jam it. I'm not saying I gotta jam it with all my shares, but I gotta jam it with some shares and get in the game, because by missing these 3 trades, we might not have any trades tomorrow, might not have any trades on Monday, and these 3 trades could have made my whole day or week or month. Who knows, right? It could have gone the other way too. But by not participating, I did participate. By not participating in those particular trades, though, which were a little bit risky at the time, I walked away with $27 instead of $270 or even way more. Potentially. This is all potential. I'm just saying, yes, I kept it safe. Someone I know would say you kept it safe, you kept everything dry and all that. But at the same time, I should be pushing too, based on, a good year and a half now of trading. I just need to be confident and have some conviction. I didn't have 100% conviction in all these trades, but, they're whippy stocks, and that's based on this week and last week, and trying to avoid the cheapy names and the high flyers, but the high flyers pay you off sometimes. So I kept it clean, and I took the biggest loss was this $84 one, and my biggest win was 105. So that's kind of gives you an idea of what my day was like. And to come out a little bit ahead, I'll take it. You guys have a good night. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment. I will be back tomorrow to finish up the week, and then I'll do the news trades this weekend and have that hopefully up by Sunday. So make sure you check that out. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and we'll go from there.